Hi, this is Brandon from Watches on You. Today we're taking a look at the Grand Seiko SBGK collection. On the left we have the Grand Seiko SBGK005 and on the right we have the SBGK002. And these are two brand new releases from Grand Seiko, and they are seriously limited edition watches. So on the left, the Grand Seiko SBGK005 is a limited edition of 1,500 watches, whereas the SBGK002 is limited edition, and it is limited to 150 pieces. So this is one of the most limited edition mainstream watches, making it very desirable, and the price reflects that. This watch retails for $29,000, whereas the SBGK005 retails for $7,400. And obviously the SBGK002 is made out of rose gold, so making it much more expensive. But again, it's, I think, really the fact that it's one of 150 pieces that makes the price that high, frankly. So now moving on to the overall construction of these watches. So each of them has the caliber 9S63 movement, which has a 72-hour power reserve. The finishing is quite exquisite. It is a little bit difficult to capture on camera as it does have the sticker over it, and I did not want to remove that as these watches are on sale here at JB Hudson Jewelers, who's lending us the watches for this review. But the Cote de Genève on them looks absolutely fantastic. The 72-hour power reserve is very useful. Again, 3 days, that's perfect. And you do have a power reserve indicator at 3 o'clock, as you can see. One difference to note between these two watches is the second, for some reason, the seconds subdial at 9 o'clock is slightly larger on the 005 as opposed to the 002. And obviously the dial colors are different. These dials look fantastic. Each of these watches has a double domed crystal, so it actually really does reduce the distortion that you see with the light, and they look wonderful, and making them definitely my favorite Grand Seikos in the modern collection. I think this is definitely a way to go. I love the finishing on the watch. I mean, it is really approaching Patek level quality here, and those dials look just absolutely fantastic. So I'll try these watches on the wrist, and each of them is 39 millimeters in diameter, which is a perfect size. And one other difference I want to note, there is a 6 at 6 o'clock on the Grand Seiko SBGK002, and there's no 6 at 6 o'clock on the SBGK005. So that is another difference to note. So I'll try this watch on. I'll try them both on, just so you can see. So again, 39 millimeter case, not too big, not too small. It's perfect for basically everyone. It's an elegant dress watch size. I really love this watch. And the thickness is fantastic as well. It would definitely fit under a suit cuff, no problem, or a shirt cuff, sorry. And on the 002, you saw it had the a buckle clasp, a pin buckle clasp, whereas on the 005, it has the more sporty deploying clasp. Each of them, they're both fantastic quality. I'll try this watch on. Again, this is 39 millimeters as well. It looks fantastic. Again, not too big, not too small. So that's really, just this watch is all around a brilliant design, and it would look good on basically anyone. So if you like this video, please remember to subscribe and share. Thanks for watching.